Did you know that practicing mindfulness for just 10 minutes a day can reduce stress, boost focus, and even improve your productivity by up to 30%? For busy moms and entrepreneurs, that is a game changer. Hey lovelies, I'm Gakeni, a mompreneur and financial coach, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share practical tips to help mompreneurs and busy women thrive in both business and life. Today we are diving into a topic that's often misunderstood but so powerful: mindfulness. And don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to meditate for hours or give up your coffee. I'm going to show you what mindfulness really is, why it matters, and how you can start using it in your daily life, even with a busy schedule. Here's the truth: many of us live life on autopilot. We are answering emails while making dinner, thinking about tomorrow's tasks while playing with our kids, and lying awake at night worrying about what we didn't finish today. The problem with this constant business is that it steals our presence. It makes us feel overwhelmed, guilty, and sometimes even burnt out. That's where mindfulness comes in. So what exactly is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment without judgment. It's about slowing down, noticing what's happening around you and within you, and responding with intention instead of reaction. Let's look at some practical ways to bring mindfulness into your daily life. At number 1 is mindful breathing. Take a few deep breaths during stressful moments. Inhale slowly for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This simple act helps calm your nervous system and clears your mind. Number 2 is mindful eating. Instead of scarfing down lunch while scrolling your phone, take a few bites slowly. Notice the taste, the texture, the smell. It sounds small, but it brings you back to the present. At number 3, mindful work. Try single tasking instead of multitasking. When you're writing an email, just write the email. When you're in a meeting, give it your full attention. You'll be surprised how much more productive you become. Lastly, at number 4, mindful moments with family. Put your phone aside for 15 minutes and be fully present with your kids and loved ones. Even a short burst of undistracted attention is more powerful than hours of half-focused time. Here's a story that really stuck with me. A mompreneur I know used to feel constant guilt because she was always distracted around her kids. She started practicing mindfulness by taking 5 mindful breaths before transitioning from work mode to mom mode. Within weeks, she noticed she was more patient, more focused, and her kids even told her, "Mommy, you're listening more." That's the beauty of mindfulness. It doesn't add hours to your day, but it makes the hours you already have richer and more meaningful. So here is the big takeaway. Mindfulness isn't about being perfect, sitting cross-legged, or clearing your mind of all thoughts. It's about presence. Whether through breathing, eating, working, or spending time with family, mindfulness helps you slow down, reduce stress, and enjoy life more fully. And the best part, you don't need extra time, you just need intention. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever practiced mindfulness before? What's one area of your life where you'd love to be more present? Share it in the comments. I'd love to start a conversation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos where I share more tips on mindfulness, balance, and building a business you love. Remember, every mindful moment counts. Start small, start today. See you in the next one. Bye.